Hi everyone, I'm Irfan Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel The Forex Nexus. In today's lesson I'm going to explain and also I'm going to answer the question mostly asked in Telegram channel that, and also someone commented on the video that which re-entry is valid and which re-entries are invalid. So let's move to the lesson. First of all, we need to know this is gold H4 time frame. We need to know about the Bollinger bands, that in which condition we are making trades now. So this is upper band and the lower band. It means on H4 time frame the market is ranging, it's flat, and this one is also flat. Now we have two examples here. First of all, we have a trendy market like this one, not this area but this area, this one and this one. This area is for buy and this is a weak setup on our BBMA chart. Here we got another re-entry, powerful re-entry, and this one is also a powerful re-entry. This is valid and this is invalid according to our BBMA criteria. This remember this lesson is a part of advanced BBMA, that which re-entry is valid and which re-entries are not valid. So let me clear the chart. Move to daily chart and let me explain. In BBMA, just focus on the re-entries, because first you need to know about the bands: upper band, lower band and middle band. The middle band working as a mediator between buyers and sellers. So let me show you. These re-entries are above the middle band. Also the moving averages, the MA510 low is moving above the middle band. It means that we have a powerful buy setups. Okay, this is a powerful and a strong bullish trend when the market is moving above the middle band. Mostly the BBMA traders make mistakes when they get a re-entry, solid re-entries on after the CSD, but the MA510 high or low is not in the accurate spot. So in this chart we can see a powerful re-entries having much impact than others. Why the market dropped perfectly? One candle, two candle and three candle concept. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, this drop perfectly. But remember, three candle concept mostly student asked. Here you can see when the market retrace back to the MA510 high and 2-3 candles, it means the market have much potential, because when the market is moving slowly in retracement on any time frame, it means that it's following the specific rule which we need, like it's following the codes of the confirmation time frame, like H4 and H1. Here the market slowly moved up to the MA510 high on short time frame like H4. Let me show you in on the chart. Let's mark it This is daily. Let's move to H4 time frame to make it more clear. Here you can see we got EMA breakout, but with extreme, and because on second time frame we don't need to we just need to wait for the extreme. On H1 time frame we need extreme plus MLV. So here we got the MLV point, because at that point the Bollinger Band just curved. Now it means that we got our setup here. On daily time frame you can see it will be on the exact candle, third one. So on next candle the market start moving down. If you filter out any re-entry, remember, always wait for the MHV. Always wait for the MHV. When you get MHV, it means that you got your setup. Now so we were discussing about the powerful setups and the weak setups. So when you are identifying a re-entry, always remember that focus on the MA 510 low. If you are looking for a buy setups, it means that the MA 510 low must above the middle band, and if you are looking for a sell re-entry, the MA 510 high must below the middle band, because when the market is moving and also the moving averages, when it's below the the middle band, it means that we are getting a re-entry in a strong bearish or bullish trend. This one is a bearish and this one is a bullish trend. And remember one thing more, when the market is retracing here on H4 time frame, on daily time frame, for a re-entry sells, the market must make a CST, candlestick direction, on H4 time frame. It doesn't mean that the market have changed its direction. No, because the market will retrace back to the MF510 high on daily time frame. So on H1 and H4 time frame, the market will move upside and will make CST. Also it will form a early CST, and also it will make a candlestick direction, but it doesn't mean that the change has been changed. The trend has been changed, but where it's heading toward, it's heading towards the MA 510 high on daily time frame. So these are the tricks in BBMA codes. You can't depend on single time frame. You need to analyze the market on must 3 time frames to identify. On first time frame, you just need to look for a re-entry, that where are we getting the re-entry. How we will know that the market is going for a re-entry? So on in next video we will explain that. Before finishing this lesson, if you are new to our channel, must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons. Stay tuned with us for more lessons. Thank you for watching the video.